No. Yeah. I wanna see you at your worst. Cause when you at your best, man, I know that shit hurt. Extra big heart, you always put your friends first. And you always...
Hey world, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Deja May. And if you're new, say hey. And y'all already know what this video is about. We're working with Wiggins hair today, y'all. It is Wiggins hair. And I'm basically going to be doing a freestyle color. And I'll show y'all. I'm going to show y'all. Yup.
2020, fuck that you gon' hold me down, shit, if you not for me. And fuck that you deserve the world, shit, you sound corny. Cause I know I do. I deserve the stars and the planets too. I got my own bag.
What? Don't play with that stuff. Back to Wiggins hair. As y'all seen, this is the HD lace.
How you moving, baby? Keep it moving, baby.
Yeah.
Trust me when I tell you that I'm good, my baby. And
it is a 13 by 4, 26 inches, as y'all seen on the package. Duh. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all what she sent me. And you know how, like, well, if you're a hairstylist, then you know, but you know how, like, your client, they send you something and you really don't know how it's supposed to be. And do it really be like that? Yeah, it really be like that. So I had to look at this video, as y'all can see, and bring it to real life without really knowing how they did it, what was colored, and what was not colored. So that's what we're going to go ahead and we're going to get right into it. This hair is from Wiggins hair. I love Wiggins hair. And she always bring the same Wiggins. They're thick from root to end. The lace always melt perfect. Perfect. But it's really not too much to explain. I just wanted to give y'all some deets on the hair and what I'll be doing. And I wanted to let y'all know that it's basically a freestyle because I really didn't know for real. But, yep, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all watch. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because if you're not watching me, then who are you watching? And basically, I'm just parting off my sections on what I will be adding my bleach mixture to, because once I start to apply the bleach, y'all will not be knowing where I'm applying it at. So, you know, just watch what I'm parting off and how I'm parting it off, because y'all won't see me applying the bleach. You get it? Got it? Good? Okay. Remember what I told y'all? Conditioner stops the bleaching process, the coloring process, and I was a little messy. So I had to, you know, clean up my mess. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.